This video shows how to buy shares of Brainsway Ltd. And walks through the practical steps. Brainsway is a medical device firm focused on non-invasive brain stimulation, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BWAY. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro here as an illustrative example. After registering, you will be asked to verify your identity, typically with an ID document, and to add funds before you can place a trade. Open the platform's search bar and type the ticker BWAY to locate the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed Brainsway Ltd. entry that matches the company name and ticker. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for the share. Double-check the company description and the NASDAQ ticker to confirm it is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, then review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, you can place a market order for the next session or use a limit order. The platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirmation. Your new position will appear in the portfolio section once the order executes. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.